name's Chef Paul, and we're going to be making goat cheese balls. These are delicious morsels packed full of flavor. Of course, we're going to start with some nice goat cheese that's been tempered. We've pulled it out of the fridge for about 30 minutes just to get it a little bit soft. It's much easier to work with that way. So that's going to go in our mixer here. Pop that in just like so. And now we're going to add some sweetness to this because we've got the acidity of the cheese, so you want a little bit of sweetness to balance everything out. So what better than some honey? So we're going to scoop that in there. There we are. Now, next, we've got some nice fresh herbs today. So a little bit of thyme, chopped nice and fine. You definitely want to make sure there's no stems on there, just the nice thyme leaves chopped. In we go. Some rosemary, again, just the leaves. You just want to chop the leaves, no stem. In we go. Salt, that's going to help bring out all those flavors and mix all those flavors together, and a little bit of pepper. We're going to get this mixing. And medium speed is what you want, just until combined. You're not looking to whip this mixture at all. You just want to get all those flavors combined. All right, that's looking good to me. So there we go. We'll pop this off, take our bowl off. Now you definitely want to make sure that you're scraping. Get all of that goodness off of our paddle here. If you did not have a mixer, you could actually use your hands. A little bit of elbow grease. But you want to make sure that you get all these bits off of here as well. There we go. The key to this is actually letting your mixture chill in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes. So we're going to do that right now. A little saran wrap on top. And we're just going to go ahead and pop this in the fridge. Now, while that's chilling, what we're going to do is we're going to make our crust. So we've got some nice pecans here, chopped up nice and fine. And now we're going to add a little bit of sweetness to it. Some nice cranberries that have been chopped up fine. Pop that in. Just kind of mix those up around. So you're going to get some crunch, you're going to get some sweet. It's going to seal in all those wonderful flavors of the goat's cheese mixture. And there we go. So our crust is done for now. All right. Now we've had a chance to let our mixture settle and firm up. And now we're going to start scooping. So again, I like to use a portion scoop just to keep it uniform. Get a nice flat edge. Here we go. Pop those on the plate. Nice and easy to work with now that it's a little bit more firm. And we'll do one more scoop. And this is something that, of course, you can do ahead of time. You can crust them ahead of time and just pull them out 15 minutes prior to your party. I'm just going to roll our goat's cheese mixture and pop that right in. And just coat these balls nicely. And now you have that creamy texture, you have that crunchy texture, you have the sweet, the acidity, all of those flavors and all of the spice in there. That's going to work really well, and this is great to serve with some crackers or a nice grilled baguette. And it's kind of fun to do too. It's, you know, if you have the kids around, kids can get involved. You have nice, crunchy, sweet, creamy, full of flavor, packed into one little goat cheese ball. And there we have it, these wonderful, delicious goat cheese balls.